Hi all, welcome to yet another video of Currynpho. So today I'm here with my GoPro vlog setup. I've been collecting my accessories for the past couple of months, to be frank. While I was working, I just collect one by one. Actually, my wife gifted me the GoPro, so I unboxed it and made my first impression of the GoPro. I will link it up here. So I haven't used it, quite as much as I can use it yet, majorly because of the COVID and everything, because I'm stuck at home and I'm mostly using my Canon M50 for shooting the videos in-house, So today in this video I will list down all the accessories that I bought for GoPro and why, and what I'm gonna use the GoPro for. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so this is my GoPro Hero 9. This is what I use right now, but I haven't had an opportunity to take it out and explore all the features of this GoPro. I took only one video in this, I will link it up here, and I took just this GoPro, I took that video with just this GoPro, so there's no accessories plugged onto it, no extra mic, no filters, nothing. It's just bare bones GoPro and a tripod stand, and that's it. Yeah, it was more like a testing for me to understand how the GoPro works, what are the how can I shoot, what kind of frame rate, what kind of resolution that I should stick onto, and things like that. So it was kind of a good learning video for me, but I think I still need to do a lot more videos to understand what kind of features or settings should I use for my GoPro. So before GoPro Hero 9, I was using a GoPro Hero 5. I think it's GoPro Hero 5 or just GoPro, I don't know. It was released after or along with GoPro Hero 5, I guess. This camera has very less features, just till 180p. There's no higher resolution or anything. Very basic features on this. Yeah, so it's just a normal GoPro. But with this, there are a lot of things new. So I still have to try it out. So I won't be doing another review video anytime soon because I haven't been able to use it as much as I thought I would. But yeah, so the review is long due for me. I think it'll take me some time. All right, let me explain to you what this GoPro is gonna be for me, like what I'm gonna use it for. All right, so this GoPro is gonna be my go-to vlog camera. For that, you need some, accessories to bump it up to the next level. This video is everything that I thought would be perfect for my vlog setup. I wouldn't say that this will be yours, but this is mine. You can look into it, you can see how much does it cost and probably build your own GoPro vlog setup later on. All right, so let's begin with the very first accessory. The very first thing which I bought for GoPro was this media mod. If you guys know, I'm not sure, probably those guys who know GoPro 8 might know this, but this is media mod, wherein you can plug in your GoPro and get some additional features, like you have two mounts and an extra mic. Not an extra, this will be the primary mic once you plug in the GoPro into this. Then you have all the buttons, normal buttons as the GoPro has. It has both on and off and the record button. And then this is the beauty about media mod. You have three, I'm not sure if this is okay. Okay, this has three ports. The first one is the mic port, and the second one is a USB-C. The second one is a USB-C port, and the third is an HDMI out as well. So this one costs around 2 million Vietnamese dong, which is roughly around $87. But I bought it in an offer, you know, got it through some e-commerce sale. So yeah, pretty good deal for me. Some people would ask me, why did you buy a media mod when you're not gonna use, yeah, like I'm not using this mic. I didn't say that, but yeah, I'm not gonna use this mic because I tried this mic already and it's terrible. To be frank, I don't know why GoPro make these stuff. Like, you know, they have a reputation to hold on to, so try not to make some crappy stuff. You know, this mic is so terrible, then it's worse than GoPro mic. It kind of amplifies the background noises. I don't know why it does that, but it does. So I don't like the extra mic that you get with the media mod, so I'm not going to use it at all. So probably even if it get damaged, I don't really care. So why did I buy this? You know, you could buy a you know, GoPro cage and a mic adapter and still might get a little cheaper. But do you want to know the cost? The cost for you know, a GoPro mic adapter is roughly around 1.5 to 1.6 million. And if you buy the cage for GoPro, if you buy a good one, it will cost you somewhere around 450 plus. So there you go, you reach that mark of 2 million. So I think this is still worth a buy because this product comes from GoPro. It has all the buttons and the whole GoPro is sealed inside, and it has all the extra ports. I mean, ports, yeah, that's another thing, the ports. Ports for charging. You can also charge this thing while you're recording. So I think that's a plus thing, and you don't need an adapter and things like that. So basically, you don't need to carry two things. You can just carry media mod and forget about the mic adapter and the cage. It's just one thing into two. So I might have paid like 100 to 200,000 Vietnamese dong, which is roughly around $10 to $20, $10 to $15, I would say. I paid extra to get this. I hope it holds up, you know. All right, so after the media mod, the major thing which I wanted was a mic, a good sounding mic. I know that most of the people would say if you want a really good sounding mic, you should go for a powered mic, but that's too costly for my pocket. So I didn't go for a big, you know, battery powered mic. No, I went for a smaller option. I bought a Boya BY-MM1 mic. I'm not sure. It's, you know, it's a normal, similar to the Rode mic. There's a Rode small one as well, but this one is similar to that one, but the only difference is in cost. This costs like half the cost for Rode. Rode costs like over $1 million Vietnamese dong, but this costs like 430K or something, which is so cheap. And it sounds exactly the same because I have a Rode one as well, but it's for my iPhone. And if I plug this to my iPhone and if I plug that one to my iPhone, I don't see that of a difference, you know? It does the same thing. So Boya mic, go for the Boya mic. Don't spend too much money on the Rode. I would say if you're getting a Rode mic, buy something like what I have here. This one is a little bit more expensive than this one. The Rode mic that I have here, right here, that is roughly around, I think, $60 or $70. It's around 1.5 to 1.6 million. So yeah, that's not 60, I think $70, yeah. So it's a good mic, but this is more than enough for me when I do vlogs. All right, so once we have the mic, let's put this together, shall we? Let's put the mic and the, you know, the media mod and the GoPro. Let's put all together. So while I'm talking, I'll put all that together as well. So if you guys don't know how to remove the GoPro, you know, cover, just hold it in, That's how you do it. Don't worry, you will not break it. So you see this small stuff around here. I don't know if it focuses. There. That thing will clamp onto something here. So just pull it out and it will come out. And then all you need to do is just push that thing, this thing facing inside, push it in. There you go. Push it in and then lock it. And it's all sealed. You see? Okay. Now let's put the mic on the top as well. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it's gonna look like. Yeah, I know. It's like a dead mouse on the top. But what to do? The GoPro mic sucks. I mean this one here, the media mode mic. Okay, so that's done. The third one which I bought for GoPro is a light. I bought a small light from Ulanzi. I didn't spend too much money on GoPro light. That is so freakingly expensive. It's around $1 million dong. For $1 million is roughly around $50 to $60 for this small of a light, and I didn't want to spend that much money, so I bought this. This is Ulanzi VL28. It's pretty good for a light. Small light, you press and hold and it will turn on, and it has power like small, and this is the highest and this is the highest, sorry. So it can go 4 steps up, and the last one is like a blinker. Anyway, it's charged via USB-C. I'm not sure if you can see that. There you go, USB-C. And this will actually lit up. You want to see how it's gonna be like? Let me turn off this light so you guys can see. There you go. I don't know if you guys can see me, but yeah, that's the smallest. Now this is a little bright. Smallest. That's the brightest. This is the brightest light. Can you guys see me? I think this will do, because your GoPro will be this far from you when you shoot, because because you're vlogging, right? So, and it's GoPro, so most of the time we'll be doing a wide shot, and especially at that time your camera will be this close up. So I think this light is more than enough for me. Yep, that's pretty good. Let's turn on the light. There you go. Light is back up. All right, so let's fix the light onto the GoPro as well. There you go. It's here. Okay. So the light's on. The mic's on. Now, so the next one which I bought for GoPro are Telesin ND filters. So these are mainly for vlogging when I'm outside on a super sunny day, because I know that for a fact, GoPro will just blow everything away when the sun is super sunny. I have a clear one, and then 8, ND8, ND16, and ND32. So I think those will do the job. Probably I might use only just 1 or 2 of them. And this costs around 450K, which is roughly around $20-25. So it's a pretty good deal. All right, I'm not gonna put that on. Probably we can, right? We shall try the clear filter. Let's put that on to the GoPro. Okay, here we go. I have the clear filter. Let's put that on. Boom. Yeah, fits, right? Let's take out the plastic as well. There you go. Oh, that's a satisfying feeling. The filter is on. Moving on to the next accessory which completes the vlog setup. It's actually a 3-way stick. It's not from GoPro. I didn't buy it from GoPro. GoPro is quite expensive, so I bought from Telesin. So Telesin is well known a battery maker for GoPro. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's extendable all the way like this. All right, so there you go. The GoPro is set. So this is actually a very minimal vlogging setup, which I really like to carry it around, and it's, you know, whenever you want to make it smaller, it's very easy. Just unscrew some parts and we'll just go down, you know. But still, you got to do some work, but it's okay. There you go. And this stick costs roughly around $20. It's very cheap for its price. So I think price-wise, this thing is bangs for the buck. Yeah, that's my vlogging setup for GoPro. Filters, mic, light, media mod, and a 3-way stick. That's all I need to vlog, right? There you go. Pretty good, right? Yeah. Small, tiny, lean, simple setup. Pretty clean. And I'm good to go. Alright, so the final thing which I bought for my vlog, or like GoPro, is 2 extra batteries and the charging adapter. These are actually from Telesin as well, so they are pretty good. I know that the batteries are not from GoPro, so it won't work as long as the GoPro batteries do. But I think for the price, these are much better. GoPro batteries are kind of expensive. It's like one battery costs 50 plus bucks, $50 to $60. So these cost roughly around 350,000 Vietnamese dong for 2 batteries, and this amount 250 to 300. You can check some e-commerce and you should be able to figure out some cheaper places, but for me, I spent somewhere around 300k, I guess. So they're pretty good and reliable. So I have additional batteries to go full day vlogging. So that's my complete setup. This will be my complete GoPro vlogging setup. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. So thanks a lot for watching. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe and let me know how I can improve. I know that there's a lot of areas to improve, but I'm trying my best to learn and probably improve along the way. And if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, please comment down below and let me know. And if you would like to see any review of any of these products, please let me know so I can make an in-depth review of that particular part or accessory. Alright, so please do like, subscribe, you know, shout down below in the comment section as well if you really like to. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and be positive. Ciao.